Welcome. In front of me I have TCL ACTV 500 True Wireless Sound earbuds, and I will show you how you can disconnect from your Android phone. So as you can see, I'm currently connected, and all I have to do, click on the settings button, tap disconnect, and tap forget. Click forget device. As you can see right now, they are disconnected. And the next thing that we can do, just turn them off manually. Click and hold this button for the 8 seconds. This button. And as you can see, this indicator disappears, so it means that we successfully disconnect and turn off this earbuds. And that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.